Hi students, MCQ number 6. In thermodynamic process, 200 joule of heat is given to a gas and 100 joule of work is also done on it. You have to understand, work is done on it. The change in the internal energy of the gas has to be found. Very simple question it is. It is based on the first law of thermodynamics. So what is the statement of the first law of thermodynamics? In mathematical form we can write the quantity of heat supplied delta Q is equal to change in its internal energy plus work done. This is the expression, okay, of first law of thermodynamics. Now what is given here? 200 joule of heat is given to the gas. So in this some delta Q given to the gas is equal to 200 joule. And 100 joule of work is also done on it. Gas is compressed. So work is done on the gas means it is negative. So it is minus 100 joule. So only this point has to be understood. Work done by the gas is taken to be positive and work done on the gas is to be taken as negative. So in this we have to find out delta U. So in place of delta Q 200 I will substitute. 200 is equal to delta U minus of 100. Therefore what is the delta U must be equal to 200 plus 100. So this is equal to what? 300 joule. So option B is the correct answer. It's very easy and very simple question, but very important. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.